All right, we made it to Santa Clarita. All right, made it here within an hour of them closing. First thing that I did see, got one of these right here. Jordan Hydro military blues right here. And 35 bucks, 35 bucks. These retail for $65. They only have one here. There's a size 9. And I did check to see if they have any other Jordan Hydros. Not seeing any. Not seeing any more today. Have been looking for racing shoes, specifically size 8s. Haven't had any luck though. Alpha Flies or Vaporfly Plus. Did I say Vaporfly Plus? I mean Vaporfly Next Percent's one of those, but look at this. Look at this. Do got these dunks right here, and look at the price. Look at the price, $50. These are retro premium. If you could find the other side, hella cheap. Jordans are still way overpriced here, because these are still $180. Wait, they got more dunks right here. Got more dunks right here. What they talking about? $90 for these. So why would those be $50 and these be $90? So confused. More dunks right here. These are $90 as well. So some of them $90, some of them way cheap. GT Cut 2s right here going for $80. Cortez right here, Miami Dolphins colorway going for $50. Size 9, got more dunks right here. Dunk retros going for $90. Right next to that, Hello Kitty Prestos going for $80. So it has gotten marked down, and that just happened within the last few days. Got some Jordan Mules right here. Haven't seen these anywhere other than here at the clearance store. It's kind of weird, but the shoes are kind of weird. That's probably why. These are going for $90. Moving on to the 9.5s. You got Metcons right here. Nike by You Metcons, and I've said Nike by You's just priced hella low here. These are going for what, $70? $70 for these. These are nice though. I don't know about that. Is that number 8 right there? See if there's something on the other side. 15, so 8.15. Kind of cheesy, but the black and white looks dope. Another Nike by You right here. These are some mids. These are some Air Force One mids. $60 for these Christmas color looking things right here. It's actually not bad for Christmas. But yeah, $60 for those. Jordan 1 High 85s right here. And I don't even know what colorway this is. I've not seen. I don't remember these on release day. We don't. Production day is September of 2023. So it came out earlier this year. $160 for those. Got some, what are these? Infinity Run Flyknit 4s right here, or I think that's what they're called. Yeah, but yeah, these colorway is not bad. That little touch of pink actually not that bad. But yeah, $60. I don't think my kid would like those. Pegasus right here. These are going for $60. Jordan 6 Golf right here. These are some Jordan 6 Low Golf. Okay. What's the price of these? What's the price of these? No sé, because it doesn't say. If you guys have visited lately, I swear their apparel section's been a little more mediocre than usual. Just a ton of t-shirts, ton of t-shirts. There's some khaki pants right here. It's khaki shorts, my bad. Khaki shorts. $30 for these. They're pleated and everything. Got some more right here. Let's look at these. Nike SB, no, $30 for these. These are SBs right here. And the quality kind of looks the same. $30 for these. These are 32s. Probably fit me, but not really buying any clothes right now. Ooh, these are nice too. 26 is going for $30. I was looking at these shorts for my kiddo. It was probably like 3 weeks ago. They're still $40, man. Too much. Not really seeing too many backpacks. Got these, I want to say, like mini duffel bags. These are down to 20 bucks. Pretty cheap. But they just only have these Zion backpacks. They've had these for a while. That's it, man. Back in the size 10, do you see Romero's here? Curious to see that. $130. More expensive than Shoe Palace, as well as Chic. Wow. Oshi ones going for $40. Got some Nike by Vito, and these were from a while ago, from 2023, summer of 2023, so they were about a year old. And they look alright, they look alright. That's the color blocking you're into, or colorway you're into, but I could tell they're older because that sign's yellowed. 97s going for 80 bucks. LeBron 21s right here. Go for 100 as well. Got some 37 lows. Is this the colorway I have? I think it's the one that I actually have at home. Yeah, these are going for 80 bucks here, $80. And then more dunks right here. These are some retros. Awful colorway though, go for 90. Pricing is so crazy. Some things are hella cheap. Some things are crazy expensive. 80 for these. And then mids going for 110. Way too much right next to that. La Familia Air Max 1s. 130 for those. If you come here for purposeful shoes, like basketball, stuff like that, it's such a good place because at $50 for the Witnesses. We did see them slightly cheaper at, where the hell did we see these slightly cheaper at? Foot Locker outlet maybe? And moving up to the 11, seeing more and more of these Nike by U's. All white canvas. Air Force One right here. These are down to 60. Air Force One high, all black, going for 60. And then do got the dunks. I've seen these at skate shops recently. These are a signature shoe for somebody. For, who is that? I don't know who that is. Greenwood? Greenwood. These are definitely interesting. Definitely different than any other blazer out there. They do use some premium material. Go for 90. Some dad shoes right here. What are these? Some old school Pegasus? Pegasus 85s or something like that. Go for 60. Size 12 Nike by You Huaraches. Material just seems so nice. That leather right there. And yeah, these are going for 60. And they charge 150 for these. You do got these ambush collabs right here. These Dunk High Ambush, 150 for those. Yeah, the Jordan prices are high as hell. 110 for mids right there, and then 150 for these. That's just crazy high right now, man. More Nike by U's right here. Invincible Run 4s right here. These ain't bad. 60 for those. Pegasus Nike by You going for 60. Bright Air Forces. Holy cow, those are hella bright. Extra bright. I guess this is good for Halloween. But it's not even like that deep orange. That's probably why they brought it back. But yeah, $60 for these. Got Jordans right here. These are some Jordan Golf. 120 for those. These are 12 and a half. 13s right here. Got some Air Forces with that extra tumbled leather. Super tumbled colorway. I'm not feeling that. I'm not feeling that one. 60 bucks. Jordan 1 Low Golf with the faux alligator skin right there. 110. Vapor Edge Elite 360. Cleats right here. Football cleats. 100 bucks. Never even seen this colorway of Jordans right here. The Jordan 37. I don't even know what colorway this is, but these are definitely out there. $80. 80 bucks. Damn, I'm not really finding much here today, but did throw these on right here. PG4s. This is the Gatorade colorway. I think this was the first colorway that did come out. I actually waited in line and stuff for these. And then even in the evening, has been pretty warm, so shorts, tank top. And usually we can find all kinds of steals, especially in the big sizes for the women. Look at this. Jordans right here. They still trying to get 150 for these right here. Some Blazer platforms going for 25. So they got steals on like the super low hyped items, or the items that nobody wants. 60 for the Jordan 2s. Blazers right here. These are going for 25 bucks. So if you're into that, that's not bad. Air Max 90. This is in the wrong section. Grade school going for 40. What are these? What are these? Some Jordan Deja slides. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? These definitely do not look like Jordans. 50 bucks for those. These ain't bad right here. $70 for these Metcons. I think these are one of those ones that are easy to put on. The Fly Ease, yeah, the Fly Ease. You can easily put them on from the back right here. $70, still a little too much. Air 200s. These are $30 for these bad boys right here. So I guess I got a couple steals here and there. They do got some Converse Chucks right here, some Chuck Highs. $20. $20. These are youth though. These are youth. Getting a little smaller, 100 bucks for these. Still got all kinds of college slides. Go for $19.99. got plenty of sizes. I still don't understand why they have some of these. Oh, I guess it's a clearance store. That's why. Spelman College, but you know they got UNC stuff. They got A&M, Florida A&M stuff right there. Is this Memphis? I don't know, is that the Memphis Tigers? I don't know. But they have major schools, UCLA, Ohio State right there. So they do have some solid schools, or like more well-known schools. But yeah, man, if they had my size, I probably would pull the trigger at 35 on these, but they only have a size 9, dang it. 22 minutes before they closed, so they did turn off the music. They turned that off pretty quick. But yeah, $30 for hoodies. The winter gear, solid prices on winter gear. $50 for that hoodie right there. This Nike hoodie going for $25. Oh, it's not a hoodie, it's a sweatshirt, my bad. No hoodie. But yeah, these Tech Fleece right here down to $50, but no hood on that one, just a pullover. LeBron stuff right here. LeBron's been balling in the Olympics, right? $40. Got Jordan brand jacket right here. This is dry fit, going for $40. These are smalls though. These are smalls, but those are pretty nice. Oh, this is a medium right here. ACG down to $60. You know how expensive ACG stuff is. They also have Tech Fleece going for $80. They have all kinds of sizes for this colorway right here. Flight hoodies going for $40. Tech Fleece jackets, $60. This is black, so really can't go wrong with black. They have small, mediums, and smalls, I guess. Smalls and mediums. That was marked down over a month ago, so maybe those will go down in price soon. And I'm looking for a pair of these. Look at this. This is size 8. This is a Nike by You of these Invincible Run 3s. And look at the price. Look at the price. It does have some letters on it, which is kind of annoying. I think Jen. Oh, dang it. You can't have some other girl's name on your shoe, right? But yeah, do got these for $60. $60. Put a sticker over that right there. Dang it. I actually do need a size 8. It's a size. No, it's a size 7.5. My bad. 7.5 for that. 7.5 right here. Is this the colorway that I grabbed for that fool's nephew? I think that is. But yeah, $80 for these. No Nike by use of the Invincible Run 3s though. Alright, I don't think I have that much here, so we're gonna stop by some other stores. Look at Grade School right here. Look at Grade School. $40. Air More Up Tempos. Dunk's still going for $70. Jordan's going for $70 right here. Different colorway, same price. Air Max 1's down to $50 in the Grade School. Jordan 36s. Still got these going for $70. Lower the price down, fool. Dang. Zion 3s down to $50. $60 for these bad boys right here. Oh wait, got one right next door. That one's also $60 as well. Alright, checking out a Ross. Couple days later, got some jerseys Pickett. I was like, is that a Pickett jersey? Because he's not there anymore. $40 for that jersey. It is a medium. Oh, this is interesting. Jeremy Scott jacket right here. This is an Adidas. This is actually kind of cool. A little bit much, but kind of cool. This is $120 and it is going for $40. It is a collab. That is kind of crazy. Is that? I'm trying to see if it's like a real car or what. Is that an R33? I don't know. Got an Adidas jersey. It is an Adidas Marvel jersey. Something about kicking cancer or something. But yeah, that's going for $9. Soccer fans, y'all know what this is. I don't. A CP jersey, going for $15. Rams hoodie right here. This is Team Apparel, $20. It's large. Is this a Iowa jersey? Oh, nope. It's another Pickett jersey. Going for $40. This is an XL. At least they're starting to get something. Like they had nothing for me to show you guys before, so at least they're starting to get a little something. In the sneaker section, someone showed me that these went down in price. I haven't seen it in person. The Lowlands, I just showed these in, I just showed these in a video. Yeah, you guys will see that one before. But yeah, the Lowlands are going for $90 at most spots. They're going for $35 here. Is this a D Rose or something? Yeah. D Rose 11. It's like a size 7. It's a smaller size. 37? $37. I've never even seen these here. Wow. I've never seen these around, and all of a sudden we're seeing multiple colorways going for 37. Then got some Stackhouse in a colorway I've never seen before. 25 bucks. It's like a size 9.5. Christmas Crocs right here. Yeah, I don't know what the hell these are going for. I was hoping to find something comfy for my kiddo for the weekend, and no real luck, to be really honest. Trae Young 3s right here, 38. I would have loved to go to the Foot Locker outlet or East LA, Nike outlet East LA, but didn't get a chance this week. I was so busy with work. Seeing a ton of these Lowlands, different sizes, same colorway though. They all go for 35. Multiple colorways of these Trae Young 3s. I think these are going to be the new Mellows. Go for $38. And got these Vans right here with an interesting Vans symbol on it. That's kind of weird. $37 for those. Was chopping it up with the homie David. Definitely appreciate you for supporting the channel. Give you a big old shout out. Dang, I wanted to come over here and now alarm's going off. Bastards. It's these damn Chucks. These are suede though. That's kind of cool. Not a 70, but you know, $40 for those. That's like a 10.5, 11 women's. Damn, slim pickings though. Slim pickings. They do got these Karl Lagerfelds on sale if y'all want those. But these Rostrips, man, they've been dry. They've been hella dry. But I was desperate, trying to find something for my kiddo. But hey, it is what it is. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Hopefully I can give you guys a preview of the next video. We out, man. We out.